Today, let's solve the famous handshake problem. There are 15 people in a room. If each person is asked to shake hands with each other exactly once, how many handshakes will there be? Let's see. So now the number of people in the room are 15. That seems like quite a large number for me. So let's take a smaller number and let's see what's going on. Okay. Let the smaller number be, say, I'll say 4. Okay. Let's name the people A, B, C, and D. Let's start with A. A handshakes with B, then with C, and then with D. So now I already see there are a total of 3 handshakes. Next, let's go to B. B handshakes with C and handshakes with D. We don't have to recount B handshaking with A because we already did it when A and B shook their hands in the first try. Okay. Now here you can see that I have another 2 more handshakes. Let's go to the last one, and that will be C handshaking with D, and there is only one handshake over there. As you can see, the total number of handshakes is sum up to 3, which is 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that's 6. So for a total of 4 people, we see that there are 6 handshakes, and that comes as a sum of 3 plus 2 plus 1. Let's take another example, another smaller number. Let's say 5 people. Okay. With 5 people, we will have, let's name the people A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. Let's start with A. A handshakes with B, then with C, then D, and E. And we see there are already a total of 4 handshakes. Next, let's go to B, and B to C, B to D, and B to E. There are about 3 handshakes. And now the remaining we have is C, D, and E. So let's make C handshake with D, C handshakes with E. That was about 2 handshakes. And the last one will be D handshaking with E, and that will be plus 1. So as you can see from the pattern, 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, that's going to be 7 plus 3, which is 10. For 5 people, we see that we need to sum up all the way from 4, 3, 2, and 1, and that sums up to 10 handshakes. You see the pattern, 6 handshakes. Now you see the pattern, for 15 people, we need to sum up all the way up to 14, right? We know the sum of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 over 2. So simply substituting 14 inside of the formula, 14 times 14 plus 1 over 2, we get 14 times 15 over 2, which is 7 times 15, and that is 105 handshakes.